Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video, we discuss complete setup of the HEYOUTH Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. The WPS Wi-Fi protected setup method is the easiest and fastest way to connect your HEYOUTH Wi-Fi extender to your existing router. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So let's start the setup process. First, plug the HEYOUTH Wi-Fi extender into a wall power outlet near your main router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. This indicates that the extender has powered on successfully and is ready for setup. Now check your main Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The WPS button is usually labeled as WPS/reset or Wi-Fi protected setup. Most routers have this button on the back or side panel. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the router will start searching for nearby WPS devices. You normally have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. The WPS indicator light on the router may start blinking. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the HEYOUTH Wi-Fi extender. After pressing the button, the WPS LED light will start blinking. The extender will begin connecting to your router automatically. Now wait for about 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the extender copies the router's Wi-Fi settings. The devices establish a secure connection. When the connection is successful, the signal LED or Wi-Fi LED will turn solid. The extender is now connected to your router. Unplug the repeater from the initial setup location. Place it midway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network and connect. Now your device will use the extended Wi-Fi signal from the repeater. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.